Good morning, Miss.
Today, children, I am going to teach you English. Okay? So, are you ready for that?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, before that, we are going to play one funny activity. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Take one question and you are going to show me that object. Okay? For example, what is there in front of you? Any object that is in front of you. For example, in front of me, pen is there. So, can you show any object that is in front of you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, who can show me?
Online classes.
Okay, online classes. Good. Yes, he's showing me pen and what else is you are having? Okay, colors and pen. Good. Okay, anybody else? Okay. Which is your favorite color? For this, you can show any object that is in color. For example, this is my favorite color. So, I'm showing you this pink color. Yes, it's my favorite color. So, which is your favorite color? You can show me that object.
Dark green color.
Okay, show me that object.
Red color.
Object. You all have colors right now, yes? You can make use of that also. Okay, pink color. Ikra is showing me pink color. Good.
Dark green color.
Okay, dark green color. Okay, any action that you can do right now? Any action you can do right now?
Dancing.
Yes, dancing, Ikra. Good. She's dancing. I'm clapping my hands. Okay, any other who is
Clap your finger.
Okay. So children, you enjoyed these activities?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So same way we are going to do some funny activities. We are going to enter in a funny room. Okay. Have you entered in the funny room?
Yes, teacher.
What is there in this room?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Okay.
Fan.
Okay. Fan is there, right?
Fan door. The fan is on the wall.
Excellent.
Fan fall down.
Wall, correct. And what is? It's not the vegetables. The plants are planted.
Falling down. The fan.
Okay. And what else you can see in this room?
The windows.
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 What is this?
Painting. Painting is on the ceiling.
Well, the painting is placed on the ceiling and the fan is placed on the wall. Is it the right place? And what is this?
TV.
Where the TV is hanging?
On the door.
On the door, yes. So is this happens in the real world?
No, teacher.
Where is the clock?
The clock is on the floor. The clock is on the floor.
We are going to see
the floor.
Okay. This is a scene of where? What it is?
House.
No, it's
classroom.
not. Exactly. It's a classroom. So can you say what you can see in this classroom?
Bed, seesaw, sofa, and one bulb. Students.
In the classroom, sofa is placed and children are sitting on the sofa. Yes?
Yes,
and
teacher.
Where the teacher is sitting? The teacher is sitting on the swing. You can see.
The teacher is sitting on the swing.
This is a swing. Okay. And you can see what is this?
Windows.
It's not a window.
Books. Book.
Yes, book. The book is placed on the wall like a blackboard. And what is this?
Bag.
Bag. Yes. Where is the bag?
The bag is hanging on the wall.
Yes, the bag is hanging on the wall. And have you seen the light in this picture? Electric bulb or something? Where it is placed?
On the floor. Light is on the floor.
Yes, but exactly the things we keep it there only where it is showing? Do we keep the things? No.
No, teacher.
Yes. Okay, in this picture, what you see?
The fishes is in the cloud. The bird is in the water. In the water.
Yes, the fishes are flying in the sky. Have you seen the fishes in the sky?
The car is in the water.
The car is floating on the water.
The car is floating on the water. The fish is flying in the sky.
Yes. And the plants are grown on the stone. You can see the
flowers are planted on the stone.
Yes, and what?
The roses floor on the floor.
What is this?
Money.
Yes, where it is hanging?
The money is hanging in the tree.
The money is hanging on the tree.
On the tree.
These all things does not happen in the real world. But it's a funny world, so we are seeing some funny things. So standard first, our subject is English topic. It's a funny world. Expert teacher Ansari Afsar Firdaus. Okay. So children, this is the image of your textbook. And you are going to find out which are the funny things in this picture.
The boat is on grass.
Okay, you can see the boat is?
The house is under the tree.
The tree is planted inside the house. See the coconut tree is coming out of the house.
The fish is hanging on the tree. The apple is in the sky.
Yes, the apples are floating in the sky and the fishes are hanging on the tree.
The butterfly is in the water.
Yes.
The boat. The ship is going on the railway track.
Yes, correct.
Yes, and teacher. Car having a clock.
Yes, you can see children.
And the road.
Okay.
The plant planted on the road.
Very good. The plants are planted on the roadside. So you have said maximum things. Clap for you. Yes. Children, you can see here.
The house door is
okay.
On the roof.
Yes, the door is placed on the roof. Okay. So children, which things we have seen here? The apples are floating. The fruits are floating in the air. The ship is running on the railway track. The fishes are hanging on the tree. The tree is planted inside the house. The door is placed on the roof of the house. The butterflies are swimming in the water. The clock is placed instead of a tile. A fisherman is boating. The fisherman is sailing the boat on the grass. And the plants are planted on the roadside. So have you seen all these things in your surrounding?
No, teacher.
No?
No, teacher.
So where you have seen all these things?
In the funny world.
Yes, it's a funny world. Good. These all are imaginary things. Imaginary things means we imagine, we just think of it. So we see all these things in the cartoons. Yes, have you seen?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. So these all are imaginary things that we see in the cartoon. So now let's see which things we see in the real world. Okay? Let's see things we see in our surrounding. So here you can say me, this is an imaginary world and this is a real world. So can you explain me what you see in this picture?
The boat is.
The fisherman is sailing the boat in the first picture. And in the second picture?
In the second picture, fisherman is
sailing the boat in the water. Yes?
Yes,
so
teacher.
Even this is an imaginary world which can't be happened. Now, the second picture is the butterfly swimming in the water. But actually the butterfly swims in the water?
No, teacher. No, teacher. Flying in the sky. Flying in the sky.
The butterfly flies in the sky or flies in the air. Yes, in the second picture you can see the butterflies are flying. Now next picture we are going to see. Okay, in the first picture you can see
the fishes hang on the water. In the second picture, the fishes in the water. Fishes in the water.
Yes, fishes lives in the water. Okay, they can't hang on the tree like fruits. In this picture, what you see?
But how? In the first picture, the tree is planted in the house. In the second picture, the tree is planted outside.
Yes, exactly. In the first picture, the tree is planted inside the house. And the door is placed on the roof. So how can a person will come out of the house? But in the real world, the tree is beside the house and the door is placed on the floor. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, this is the next picture.
Boat, ship. The ship is on the railway track. Next picture, the ship is in the on the water.
Yes, very nice. Very good answer. You are correct. In the first picture, the ship is running on the railway track. Whereas in our real world, the ship sails in the ocean. Okay? The ship sails in the ocean. In this picture, what you see? Actually, the plants are planted on the road, in between the road. No. So where
the first picture, the flower is planted on the road. In the second picture, there is flower planted in the garden.
Yes, exactly. Very good. In this picture, what you can see?
The first picture, the sky is having a clock. The second picture, the clock is hanging on the wall.
Yes. In the first picture, you can see instead of a tire, instead of a wheel, the clock is placed there. But actually, we hang the clock on the wall. Yes. In the second picture, you can see backside the wall is there and the clock is hanging on it. In this picture, you can see the fruits. The apples are hanging in the air.
Question fly is in the apple. Picture, there are apple is hanging on the apple on the tree. The apple is hanging on the tree.
Yes, good children. You are correct. In the second picture, you can see the apples are hanging on the tree. Yes, you can see so delicious and red apples are hanging on the trees. But in the imaginary world, it is hanging in the air. Okay, in this picture, what you can see, what runs on the railway track?
Train. Railway.
Yes, in our real world, you can see
railway track. The railway.
Yes, the train runs
coming.
on the track. Yes. So this happens in the real world and this is the imaginary world. Okay, one activity I have shown you. You are going to observe this picture and you are going to say which funny things are happening in this garden.
The ice cream is hanging on the tree.
Wow.
The slide is going on the grass. Cadbury. The slide in the chocolate.
Yes, the slide is made up of chocolate. Yummy. And the ice creams are hanging on the tree.
Fly. The ice cream fly on the tree. Seesaw.
Okay, the ice creams are hanging on the tree. And what about this?
The cat.
What is this?
The cat is on the bucket in the tree. Boat is hanging on the hanging on the
Yes. Even the boat is hanging like a swing. You have seen swing in the garden? So this is hanging like a swing. And what is this?
This cat is hanging on the cat is hanging on the basket.
It's a nest.
Flying.
In the nest, the kittens are sitting like birds. Yes, it's a nest. And what is this?
In the day, there is a moon.
Ah, yes.
Day and the moon.
It is also shining. Yes, correct. So children, we have seen many funny things, right? Like the chocolate slides, ice cream hanging on the trees. Oh, yes, cars running on the grass. And the kittens are sitting in the nest like birds. So this all happens in the funny world. So children, have you enjoyed this?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. So we are going to move on. In our next topic, it's build word pyramid. Okay, pyramid means like a triangle it is. So I'm going to give you one word. For example, here already it is given fish. So you have to add one more word.
Fish. 5 fishes. 5 fishes. 5 fishes. 5 fishes. 5 fishes. fat fishes live in the cold water. Cold water.
5 fishes live in the water. And the last sentence is?
5 fat fishes live in the cold water.
Very good. So this is our pyramid. With one word, with fish word, we have made this pyramid. Okay? So same way I'm going to give you one homework. I'm going to give you one word. Okay? And you are going to complete that pyramid. Okay? Build your pyramid. I have given you tree. And downside green dash is there. So in the dash, what you are going to fill, it is up to you. Okay? Dash green. And the remaining you
green
can
tree
sentence. Okay? Have you understood this?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Thank you, students.
Welcome, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. I like that lesson.
The word or the real world? Which word you like the most?
Bye, teacher.
Okay, I'm asking you something. Which word you like the most?
Real world.
Real word you like the most? Okay. When I was a small child, I used to enjoy the imaginary world. Because we can see different things in our imagination that we can't do in our real world. Okay?
Yes, teacher. Okay, teacher.
So goodbye for today's students.
Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher.